Hello, this is a video tutorial on finding the molar mass of an unknown acid using titration. In order to find the molar mass of an unknown acid, we must first use the titration method. The titration method is done by adding a volume of base to an analyte, which in this case is the unknown acid. Using phenolphthalein as an indicator, base is added to the analyte until the solution turns light pink. The volume of base used can then be used to find the molar mass of the acid. The process of finding the molar mass of an unknown acid can be broken down into 5 steps. Step 1 is to find the mass of the acid used for the analyte. This is done by subtracting the final mass of the vial in the unknown acid from the initial mass of the vial in the unknown acid. In this instance, 34.43 grams is subtracted from 33.46 grams, which gives us 0.970 grams of the unknown acid. Step 2 in the process is to find the volume of the base used in the titration. This is done by subtracting the starting level of the base from the ending level of the base, which is 24.2 milliliters minus 0.00 milliliters, which is 24.2 milliliters of base, which was used in the titration. Step 3 in the process is to find the moles of base used in the titration. This is done using the formula molarity equals moles over liter. 0.193 molarity is used in place of the capital M, and 0.0242 liters is used in the place of the L. In order to solve for moles, we must multiply the molarity and the liters, which gives us 0.00467 moles of base used. Step 4 in the process is to find the moles of acid titrated. This is done very simply by using the formula moles of acid equals moles of base, which happens at the equivalence point. Given this, the moles of the base used should equal the moles of the acid used, so it is also still 0.00467 moles of acid. The fifth and final step of the process is to find the molar mass of the acid titrated. This is accomplished using the formula molar mass equals grams over moles. Two values are plugged into the equation: the mass of the unknown acid, which is 0.970 grams, and the moles of the unknown acid, which is 0.00467 moles. Putting these into the formula by dividing the mass by the moles yields the result of 208 grams per mole, which is the final molar mass of the acid that was titrated. To find the molar mass of an unknown acid, you must perform a titration. Then you will find the mass of the acid used. Afterwards, you must find the moles of acid used in the titration. Finally, you must find the molar mass of the acid using the formula molar mass equals grams over moles.